Erie. Go Mouth Garage. One back with another little small video. The race cart. I had to throw a lift kit on it. Like I told y'all. I ain't got no excuse on why I had to throw the lift kit on there. I was tired of sitting low. I had to throw it on here. She just didn't look right to me sitting down low like that, man. I wasn't feeling it. So I had to go with this type of lift kit. So it's basically just this bar here. And then it came with some mounts up here for my shocks. And that's it, everything else is original. And y'all about know what the back mount look like. Oh, I'm glad I came out here to do this video. I left my lights on. And another thing, what y'all see different about the car? What's the first thing y'all noticed? Drop it in the comment, let me know. But yeah, I'm gonna let you know. The top is gone. I took that fucking top off, man. Over that top. I think it looked a lot better without the top. In my opinion, it does. That top was just so, that shit was on some goofy shit. I wasn't feeling that. So yeah, the top is gone. I just wanted to bring y'all a little quick video of this thing, man. I'm trying to turn everything off, won't nothing go off. She's lifted. And the wheels is on the way. 14-inch, y'all will see them when they come. Got everything in place. Now you can really see that it's a live axle type shit, one wheel peel, or whatever you want to call it. That tag come off my the tractor, 5040 DJ. I don't know who that is, but I'm registered to that shit now. And Gold Mouth is registered to it now. I switched it all over to my name. You heard me? Verbally. Give me that. Yeah, we out here. Gold Mouth out.